If you're looking for an idea for an app, here's the one that I want most. And it is a language app, really an assisted reader. But I would spend probably up to $30 a month subscription for this. And I'd spend at least 2 hours a day using the app. The next best app that's available is Link. And I pay $15 a month for it. I barely use it at all just because it's a lot of effort when I'm looking for a more casual experience. Link, it would be a great tool if this is business, something where the added work really pays off. I'm just doing this in the evenings for a hobby, so it needs to be an easier user experience. But I pay $15 a month for that, barely using it. I spend at least 2 hours a day doing what I would do on this language app manually. So I print out pages in my target language and then write in a translation of them. The idea of the app or the screens would be a target language on the top. Right under that, if it's a different script than the Latin script, I would do a transliteration in Latin script, and then under that an English translation. Above the target language text, there would be little helpers that I could add or remove. That would be a setting to just visual cues to help me read this faster. So for his, I'd put a third person possessive little symbol. For past tense, a back arrow, and so on. Color coding in the target text might also help me identify tenses, conjugations, stuff like that. The screens then would keep up with text that I'm already going to consume. So whether it's scripture, news, education, literature, I could pick a text that I want to use anyway. And then the app would cycle through the text, reading it out loud to me. And then I could focus on, at times, the target text, the translation, really casual. You just open it up, read and listen to whatever I would read and listen to anyway, and be able to get an immersive language experience. So if you can build this, please do build this. I think the one problem is that even though I spend so much time manually doing these things, I've never actually searched for this app. I've gone on Audible, other places looking for audio material, but I've never actually searched to see if this exact language app exists. Link, the one language subscription that I have now, was advertised to me really on Steve Kaufmann's YouTube channel. So this app idea would take some marketing to get people's awareness of it, but it definitely is something I would use.